Hi, my name is Murilo, and in this short video I'll quickly show you how to print your seating chart. From the right side of the Overview and Printing screen inside your floor plan, you can choose what you wish to view on the floor plan when you export it as a PDF file once you click on the Create PDF button. The available display options include table label, table name, seat number, guest names, background image, and relationships. You can also display seating colors or custom color fields. If you choose custom color fields, you can select to display a legend. Click on the Create PDF button to export your full seating chart as a one-page PDF. Selecting the More PDF options allows you to further customize the PDF file and what should be included. From the Type drop-down menu, select if you want to print the seating details by guest list with a summary of all the guests and their seating details in alphabetical order. When printing the seating as a guest list view, you can select to sort by first and last name, whether to include the seat number, whether to include +1s, the paper size, orientation, and whether to include headers and footer. If you select individual tables, your PDF file will include individual tables laid out on different pages with guests around the table or listed next to the table. You can further select tables you wish to print, seating colors or custom color fields, paper size, orientation, whether to include headers or to include empty seats. If you have any further questions, please email our team at support@zkipster.com. Thank you for watching.